Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Or should I welcome myself to my own channel since I haven't filmed for around 2 weeks. It is so weird. Welcome back anyway. So I wasn't sure actually what I'm gonna do for today's look, and at this point right now I don't know what I'm gonna do. I only know that I wanna play with some burgundy colors, I guess, mixed with gold tones. We'll see. But anyways, this is the look that I have achieved. And if you do like this look, then please keep on watching. I'm already done with my eyebrows, so I'm gonna be starting by prepping my lids, and I'm gonna use a Wonderlift anti-wrinkle serum, concealer, and NYX Proof It Waterproof eyeshadow base. The very important step for me is to blend my concealer and primer all the way, because when I do blend eyeshadows, I do blend them like almost where my hair grows. So yeah. Now Wonder 2 pencil, do some magic with my eyebrows. Where am I looking at? Oh my god, I'm supposed to look right here. Sorry. I'll just take another mirror. See what happens when you do not film for so long. I'm gonna highlight my brow bone area with a little bit of this matte white color. Now for my transition shade, I'm gonna mix this color right here and where am I looking? And this one right here. And so once you blend everything, it should look something like this. It looks a little bit darker than I thought it's gonna look, but still it's okay. And now just wanna add some more highlight, and I'm using from Makeup Factory limited edition collection. This color right here, it's seriously one of the best highlight colors that I've tried. I love it. It's amazing, and I wish I knew the name of this palette, but I don't. And now I'm using the brush from the Oh Wow brush set, which has been sent to me recently by Wonder 2, and you know what? Seriously, the way they blend, I haven't used them so much for my eyes. I use it a lot for my foundation routine, and they are just amazing. They make your product like really stick to your face. My hair is crazy today. Now I'm gonna use this color right here from Huda Beauty. This color will make my crease even darker. Once you blend it, it should look like something like this, and I really do love this mix of colors. And now for my next color, I'm gonna use this one. Yes, this color really made this eye look even more dramatic, and with the black eyeshadow now it will look even more dramatic. So I guess today I'm going in for a drama look. And so now I'm gonna add a little bit of matte black eyeshadow just in a outer corner of my eye. So it is time to cut a crease, and it's already done on this eye. And instead of gold, I went with really white color. Like I really wanted this part right here to pop out. Let's do the same on this side. Oh, and I am using NYX Gotcha Cover Concealer in the shade Alabaster, and this one is really high coverage and really light, so it does a great job for me. So now once you're done with cutting your crease, add some white matte color from the Illamasqua palette. And then this shimmer color from the Makeup Factory. Like, look at this, it will really brighten up your eye. Like, I'm using this really small brush to place it in the inner corner of my eye. And I have to now obviously blend a little bit of these colors that I've used before. And now it's time for a lower lash line, and so now I'm going in with a pencil first. And this one is from Makeup Factory, so you can use any burgundy kind of color for this part. Now once I apply my pencil, I'm gonna mix these two colors together. I'm gonna mix these two. And now let's just keep adding these two colors. The black one, and I don't know how to call this one. And you know what? I do want to add a little bit of glitter, so I'm gonna add some black glitter. And I have no idea where my glue is. Just a second. And it is here, Makeup Factory Fixing Gel. This gel is made specifically for the glitter. And I have no idea where I even bought this glitter. I think it was from Amazon or eBay, I'm not sure. And now for the rest of my look, I'm just gonna put some lashes, a little bit of eyeliner, and I'm gonna finish off my face, and I will be right back. So this is the final look, and I definitely didn't think it's gonna look like this for today. I thought it's going to be more subtle, but no. Okay, so I don't know what you think about these dark lips and this intense eyes, but I kind of love it. So for a change, like usually when I do dramatic eyes, I do nude lips. So it's a lot going on right now. But I would love to go out actually like this. What else? Let me know in the comment section down below what would you like to see next in my videos. I'm of course always inspired, but I would like to do something that you would like to see, so just let me know. And now I'm just gonna take some pictures and edit my video, I guess. So thank you for watching, and check out some of other videos from my channel, and thank you again for being here, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.